Pasadena homeowners know that heat and humidity are more than seasonal inconveniences, they're year-round realities. High temperatures, strong sun exposure, and persistent moisture can take a toll on your home's exterior materials, especially your windows. If your current windows are warping, sticking, or showing signs of wear, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Vinyl windows are a popular choice in Pasadena for good reason. Designed for durability and energy efficiency, they hold up exceptionally well in hot and humid climates. Here's how vinyl windows stand strong against the elements. Resistance to warping and swelling. Humidity can be tough on traditional window materials like wood. Over time, wood frames absorb moisture from the air, leading to swelling, warping, cracking, and even rot. This can cause windows to stick, become difficult to open, or lose their tight seal. Vinyl windows, however, are made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a non-porous material that does not absorb moisture. This means they won't swell or deteriorate when exposed to Pasadena's humid conditions. Even during extended periods of damp weather, vinyl frames maintain their shape and structural integrity. Protection against intense heat. Pasadena's hot summers can push temperatures to extremes. Prolonged sun exposure can cause some materials to fade, crack, or weaken over time. High-quality vinyl windows are engineered to withstand heat without losing performance. Modern manufacturing processes include UV inhibitors that protect frames from sun damage. This helps prevent discoloration, brittleness, and premature aging. Additionally, vinyl's insulating properties reduce heat transfer, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures even when outdoor temperatures soar. Improved energy efficiency. In a hot climate like Pasadena's, energy efficiency is essential. Older windows often allow heat to penetrate easily, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Vinyl windows are commonly paired with energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass. Argon gas fills between panes. Low emissivity coatings. Multi-chambered frame construction. These features help block solar heat gain while keeping cooled air inside your home. The result is a more comfortable indoor environment and potentially lower energy bills during peak summer months. Strong sealing against moisture intrusion. Humidity isn't the only concern. Heavy rain and sudden storms can also challenge window performance. Vinyl windows are designed with tight weather stripping and compression seals that prevent water from seeping inside. When professionally installed, they create an airtight and watertight barrier around the frame. This helps protect your home from moisture damage, mold growth, and interior wall deterioration. Low maintenance in humid conditions. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows in Pasadena is their low maintenance nature. Unlike wood windows, vinyl does not require regular painting, staining, or sealing. It resists peeling, flaking, and corrosion. A simple cleaning with mild soap and water keeps vinyl frames looking fresh. For busy homeowners, this means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Long-term durability. Heat and humidity can shorten the lifespan of inferior window materials. Vinyl windows are built to endure climate stress without compromising performance. Because they resist moisture damage, UV exposure, and thermal expansion issues, vinyl windows often deliver long-term reliability in Pasadena's environment. A smart solution for Pasadena homes. Living in Pasadena means preparing your home for heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Vinyl windows offer a dependable solution that combines durability, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance. By resisting warping, blocking heat transfer, and preventing moisture intrusion, vinyl windows help create a more comfortable and protected living space year-round. For homeowners seeking a practical upgrade built for Pasadena's climate, vinyl windows are a smart investment that stands up to the elements, season after season.